Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Canon EOS R, a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and the kind of results you can expect from this camera. The Canon EOS R features a 30.3 megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers impressive image quality and detail. Photos look sharp, vibrant, and full of life. The camera captures textures, colors, and small details beautifully, making every shot feel professional. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the camera consistently produces images that look clean, rich, and visually striking. Even in low-light conditions, the camera performs very well and keeps noise levels under control while preserving detail. Another standout feature of the Canon EOS R is its Dual Pixel Autofocus system. This autofocus system is fast, accurate, and very reliable. It quickly locks onto your subject and keeps tracking smoothly. For portrait photography, the eye detection autofocus is extremely helpful because it keeps the subject's eyes perfectly sharp. This makes capturing professional-looking portraits much easier. For video creators, the Canon EOS R can record 4K video, delivering detailed and cinematic footage. Canon cameras are known for their beautiful color science, and this camera is no exception. The colors look natural and pleasing, especially skin tones. The camera also features a fully articulating touchscreen, which is very useful for vlogging and shooting from creative angles. Its design feels solid and comfortable in hand, making it suitable for long shooting sessions. The ergonomics are well thought out, with a deep and secure grip that allows you to hold the camera steadily without fatigue. Every button and dial is placed intuitively, giving photographers quick access to essential settings, which makes shooting both efficient and enjoyable. Additionally, the fully articulating touchscreen adds versatility, allowing you to frame shots from creative angles and even making vlogging or self-recording much easier. It also provides a more intuitive way to navigate menus, adjust settings quickly, and review images or videos on the go. Combined with the camera's responsive controls and lightweight body, this makes shooting long sessions comfortable and efficient, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects. No matter what type of photography or videography you do, the Canon EOS R delivers consistently impressive results. An improved accuracy of eye detection AF operation and eye detection AF operates ETH high precision for people that are far away. This makes it ideal for capturing distant subjects, whether you're photographing wildlife, sports, or candid moments from a distance. The camera's fast autofocus and sharp lens ensure that even subjects far from the camera and AF frame display delay improvement of the delay between actual AF and AF frame display. This means that the autofocus system responds faster and more accurately, and subject capture improvement shooting moving subjects and subject capture improvement shooting moving subject enable AF for subject approaching from even farther away. And so my work is largely inspired by nature. Every landscape, every moment I capture is about highlighting the beauty and Chelsea with the Canon EOS R. I can bring out every detail, color, and texture, making each shot feel vibrant and full of life. Whether it's a wide here to create transformation. He sets up the Canon EOS R carefully, adjusting the lens and checking the framing. The model steps into the frame, and as she moves naturally, he captures every graceful motion. The camera's autofocus tracks her perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera videos.